everyone. We want to point out a couple of very important things that have changed regarding attendance reporting and closing out your classes. So even if you have taught a class in the past, these changes are important for you to follow. So the first big change is the way you're going to keep attendance records. You are no longer going to be reporting the number of hours in Frontline. Instead, you're going to click on this form, and it will force you to make a copy. When you open it, it didn't for me because I own it, but for you, you will be forced to make a copy of it so we're not all typing on the same document. Go ahead and fill this all out accordingly. If you have more participants than you need, just go to the last box here and click Tab to add on more rows. Also, for the virtual meetings or in-person meetings, any face-to-face time, you will report the hours here. So anything that a participant has missed will also be reported here, and anybody who's attended all meetings, it will be reflected here. And then if students are completing independent work, those hours will be reported here. So any missed assignments, you'll see less hours here, and people who completed all assignments and the hours allotted for those assignments will be reported here, and total hours here. And then underneath, you can copy the list of participants from this table and paste them here. And then anyone who completed all assignments will get an X or a check mark. And if they didn't complete all of the assignments, you can leave this blank and move over to this cell and just note, or whatever the case may be. Put a note here. This is really for auditing purposes to show that students completed work independently or partial work in the instance of an audit. So that's how attendance will be taken, and it needs to all be done uniformly using this form. And then another piece to point out is that 15-hour courses, if a student participant is unable to make or complete a bit of the course, for a 15-hour course only, they are allowed a makeup assignment that you can offer to them. But if it's less than a 15-hour course, you would just report the hours on that attendance form, but makeups are not allowed in courses that are less than 15 hours. Other than that, please make sure you send everything, your Blue Wage form and your attendance form, to Lori Hunt. They will all go to one person now. And you can use this form as a checklist for everything else and reach out to Kevin or I if you have any issues. Thanks so much, everyone.